Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to land closer to your destination with Blade. And seriously, trust me, the Blade app is an incredible app where they will fly you anywhere in the world and they will bring you to the destination where you need to be. So I will show you an example. Right now, if you want to book a charter from New York City area to, let's say, the Hamptons. Now, I want it tonight for one person, start a charter at this time. Continue. We want to go from West 3rd Street to East Hampton. And right now we want to book a helicopter. So let's show us the Augusta 109. Then we want a private charter. And then right now you see here that Blade Ground Connect upon landing will drive you to your final destination. Then right now what you need to do is click here on Add, and then you can fill in your destination. So right now you can fill in whatever you want. After this, so let's say something like this, something look like this. And right now if you click here on Add to my itinerary, he will bring us literally to that place or to that hotel. You can do whatever you want. So right now, if we click here on checkout, you see here the flight summary, the fees, the extras. So that is the car selection, and he will bring us to our hotel. So that is the way how you can land close to your destination with Blade, and hopefully I could help you out with this option. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.